Hi, my name is Chanal Sussman of AVX Returns, and I'm COO in charge of all daily operations over here.
So my name is Alan Weiss. I'm the CEO of AVX Returns. AVX Returns was born due out of a necessity. We had a different e-commerce company and we had a big problem with the returns, and we ultimately decided to bring it in-house and make a company out of it to help other third-party sellers recover losses from their returns.
We started in a garage, and we moved to a small warehouse and a big warehouse and an even bigger warehouse. As our business was growing, we realized that we really need to keep track of our stuff and keep track of it properly.
Before Sellercloud, we had no heads or tails with our inventory. Everything was written down on papers or spreadsheets. Things were getting lost and not tracked properly.
And that led us to the search for an inventory management program. That we first started with something smaller, and then we realized that that wasn't working for us, and we needed that full-fledged solution that Sellercloud gives us.
We started using Sellercloud around 6 years ago, and it was a phenomenal decision. We've never looked back. Sellercloud came in and everything is organized, everything has a check and a balance, and it's total night and day shift from where we were before. Well, Sellercloud has helped us manage everything from reports to accounting to warehouse management, multi-channel fulfillment, everything.
Aside from inventory control, your reporting and your financials and tracking your costs. If you don't understand all of that, then you're going to sink.
Efficiency is everything. In a distribution business like ours, if you're not efficient, you're taking serious losses.
You may survive for a year or two, but unless you have a full insight on your costs and everything, you're not going to survive in today's world. You would need a program like Sellercloud to succeed. Sellercloud is essential to me being able to see all of the information that's available to me.
I can oversee the reports, I can oversee the warehouse movements, I can see the productivity of the employees, everything, the order flow of the sales. Sellercloud has helped us scale and grow our business consistently, even with the pitfalls of the economy. Our SKU count has grown tremendously. Sales have picked up year over year, and Sellercloud has been with us every step of the way to manage that transition and really make it as seamless as possible.
You don't have to go in and fill out the information for each channel individually. You can pull in all that information from Amazon, all the bullet points, all the headers, all of that stuff. It's extremely important to us for certain aspects of our product creation, which we have done automatically. I know there are other options in the market, but from my research, none of them have the capabilities and the full control that Sellercloud gives and the customization that Sellercloud gives its customers. Sellercloud will build a custom plugin for you for your specific needs. We had an issue with shipping rates, so we used different providers for different areas and different zones, and we were able to set that all in a plugin where it will automatically pick the provider and the service, and all they have to do is hit enter and it will print out a label for us. They've actually implemented new features with an order rule engine where it seems like it takes this plugin and it makes it 1,000 times better and easier, and you can have hundreds of different shipping rules and options. With Sellercloud, the focus is inventory management, inventory control, to the point where you can see when items are in order. When you're receiving the purchase order, you see what was received from each vendor. You can see any shipment associated with it. You can see quantities that are in your interim warehouse when it's in transit to Amazon. You can see your reserve quantities. You see your available FA quantities, and you can see that all directly from the product page in Sellercloud without having to go anywhere else.
We need Sellercloud. Sellercloud is the backbone of our business, and we wouldn't be able to function properly without it. If you're a small or medium-sized business looking to expand or looking to grow, or you're struggling with inventory issues or financial reporting, I would strongly suggest giving Sellercloud a try. Just to see what they have to offer. It'll change the way you see everything.